Welcome to Nelson's Wireless. Today, we're diving into an important topic: how to stop your personal data from appearing in Google searches. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why you might find your personal information on Google. This can happen due to various reasons like social media profiles, public records, or websites you've interacted with. But don't worry, we'll walk you through the steps to take control of your data. Step 1 is to manage your Google account. Sign into Google Chrome and click on your profile icon next to the three-dot menu, then select Manage your Google account. From there, click on Data and Privacy in the top left menu. Scroll down to My Activity and click on it. Next, select the Other Activity option from the left menu and scroll until you find Results About You. Click on Manage Results About You and follow the steps to set it up. Enter your full name and any other names you commonly use, then add your personal contact information like your home address, phone number, and email addresses. Verify the information and choose how you'd like to receive notifications. Finally, click Save, and you're all set. Here are a few extra tips to keep your data safe. Regularly review your social media privacy settings. Be cautious about sharing personal information online. Use strong and unique passwords for all your accounts. That's it for today's video on protecting your personal data from appearing in Google searches. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nelson's Wireless. Stay awesome and absolutely focused.